On August 6, 1962, Jamaica became an independent nation, proudly charting its own future. Since then, its people, culture, and symbols have inspired the world. Today, we celebrate the icons that represent Jamaica's strength, creativity, and enduring spirit. The Jamaican flag rises proudly as children sing the national anthem. The black, green, and gold flag is more than a national symbol. Black represents the strength and resilience of the Jamaican people. Green reflects the island's rich vegetation and hope. Gold symbolizes sunshine and natural wealth. Marcus Garvey taught people to believe in themselves and to take pride in their African heritage. His message of unity and self-reliance inspired millions around the world. Few voices have carried Jamaica's message farther than Bob Marley's. Through reggae music, he shared messages of peace, justice, love, and unity. His music reminds us that one voice can inspire the whole world. Speed has become one of Jamaica's greatest trademarks, thanks to legendary sprinter Usain Bolt. Bolt's victories prove that a small island can produce the fastest athletes on Earth. Jamaica's national bird, the Dr. Bird, symbolizes beauty, freedom, and uniqueness. The national fruit, ackee, is a reminder of Jamaica's rich traditions and the importance of family and community. But the greatest icon of Jamaica is its people. Their resilience, creativity, kindness, and determination have shaped the nation's identity for generations. Independence is more than a date in history. It is the courage to build a brighter future while honoring the past. From heroes and athletes to musicians, national symbols, and everyday citizens, Jamaica's icons remind the world that greatness comes from pride, unity, and perseverance.